Hey everyone, this is C Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is Sunday, May 3rd. This channel summarizes the most important crypto news for investors in Southeast Asia. We have 3 key stories for you today, so let's get into it. Our first story is the market picture. Bitcoin is pushing back above $79,000, and Ethereum's network just printed an all-time high in monthly activity. According to Coins and Block Media, BTC traded at $79,025 on Binance, taking another shot at the $80,000 level, after consolidating in the 78K zone over the weekend. On the Ethereum side, Blockbeats reports that the mainnet processed 72.8 million transactions in April, the highest monthly figure ever, with token transfers making up 62%, utility 13%, and financial use cases 8%. CryptoQuant analyst Adler Jr. notes BTC is sitting at the lower edge of its adjusted realized price band. On the supply side, Nasdaq-listed miner Bitdeer sold all 186 BTC mined this week, sticking to its zero BTC reserve policy since February. My take on this is a healthy combination, price stabilizing while real on-chain usage hits records. For Southeast Asia, where ETH-based stablecoin remittance and DeFi adoption is climbing, that 72.8 million transaction print is more important than the BTC ticker. The risk is that miner selling in a tired realized price band can still cap upside in the short term, so don't chase a clean 80K break. Wait for confirmation. Moving on to our second story. Our second story is a clear shift in the Philippine crypto landscape. Local players are moving fast to absorb the displaced volume. Maya has partnered with Lydian to integrate crypto payments at retail merchants, taking stablecoin and crypto checkout into everyday in-store transactions. At the same time, according to FinTech News Philippines, Coins.ph reported a 327% jump in monthly spot trading volume, breaking past $500 million, roughly 29.4 billion pesos. Philippine National Bank and Mastercard have also launched a tokenized digital wallet payment partnership. My personal read, the PH market is rotating, not shrinking. The combination of Coins.ph, Maya, GoTimeBank, and PDX is now positioning itself as the licensed onshore alternative to Binance, BitGet, OKX, and MEXC for OFW remittance, daily payments, and stablecoin holders in the Philippines. This is the moment to actually fund a PH-licensed account rather than wait. The risk to monitor is concentration. And finally, our third story. Our third story is the rise of prediction markets as a new tradable asset class. According to a joint Bitget and Polymarket report, Polymarket's monthly trading volume surged from $1.2 billion to over $20 billion in early 2026, with active wallets more than tripling in 6 months. Around 82% of users are small traders below $10,000 in size. The total prediction market is now estimated at $240 billion, with long-term projections pointing to a $1 trillion industry. CFTC Chairman Michael Selig is also pushing to limit state-level interference, which would clear a path for Polymarket and Kalshi to expand across the U.S. And Hyperliquid just launched its first HIP-4 binary prediction market contract, a Bitcoin price bet on whether BTC clears $78,213. My honest assessment: prediction markets are quietly turning into the third leg of crypto. For Southeast Asian investors, especially in the Philippines, Vietnam, and Indonesia, they offer a low-stake way to hedge macro events, election outcomes, and even crypto-specific catalysts. The risk is regulatory. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap of today's 3 stories. Story 1. BTC retests 79K, and Ethereum prints a record 72.8 million April transactions. Story 2. Maya, Lydian, and Coins.ph absorb PH demand as Coins.ph volume jumps 327%. Story 3. Polymarket monthly volume hits $20 billion as Hyperliquid launches HIP-4 prediction markets. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.